Today, we are going to learn some te reo Māori words related to baseball and softball, two growing sports in Aotearoa with similar words. So let's get into it. The first terms, which we've covered already in previous lessons, are patu, bat, and pōro, ball. Both sports use these terms. The Māori word for baseball is poipapa, and the Māori word for softball is poiuka. Let's go around the field. The term for base is papa. Papa tuatahi, first base. Papa tuarua, second base. Papa tuatoru, third base. And papa kāinga, home base. The word for pitch is epa. The kai epa or pitcher stands on the puke epa or mound. The catcher is known as the kaihopu, and they use their krapu or glove to catch the ball or pōro. The krapu is the special glove all defenders wear to catch the ball. The next word is strike, which is hāngai eke. And our final word is omanga kāinga, which means home run. This is when the player hits the ball and runs all the way around the bases to score a point.